Hi. So, you think about others when you decide something to say, when you decide to think something, when you uh, take a decision, you ask for permission, and why? Um, why others' permission and others' opinion count so much for you? Um, yes, uh, because you need their approval, right? So, what will happen if they don't approve what you are saying? Any problem with that? So, try to live with that kind of scenario when you don't have many people's approval. So, when you are saying something new, something which is not acceptable in society normally, the first thing not acceptable is a girl or a younger person saying something very apt. So people, it doesn't go along with the ego of some of the people, and they will stop you making that comment. So if you know that people are actually blocking you with your with your comments, you will feel liberated, right? You will feel free, and it will give you a sense of relief. And many people don't uh, allow others to feel so. So, all the time you will be inside a cage, the cage of your own mind, um, and that will block you, that will restrict you from flying off. So, maybe there will be some people who are afraid of your going off, your flying away, off from the whole scenario. So, once you start taking those kind of decisions, it is quite likely that you will outgrow that particular circumstance and you go away somewhere uh, where you won't like to return back, right? So that is somewhat frightening for many people. Suppose you are off, you are flying away, then what? Then the whole thing will be without you. So think of that. Are you afraid of living that particular circumstances? So there will be many events in life when you have to go, you have to went from that particular situation to something uh, which you don't know yet. So if you are afraid of that new scenario where you have to make it on your own, you have to decide for your own, and you are suggesting something which is not heard of so far, then you are making a legendary decision. So many people won't allow you to make that decision. So uh, know that, be aware of that, and make that decision inside your mind and stick to your decision, whether you are allowed to speak it out or not. So try practicing. So you should not be very rebellious in your attitude outwards initially. So afterwards it doesn't matter also. So start taking decision, accept it inside your mind, and stick to that decision whether others approve or not. Take that stand. You don't have to speak it out. If they are not allowed, if they are not allowing you to speak it out, don't tell, but stand by your own decision. So that is the practice you need to make, and hope this helps. Thank you.